You know, I am not, and I'm just using my fork to whisk it together, to scramble it basically, but I am not a fan of egg in fried rice. However, I've got leftover rice, I've got some frozen vegetable, a couple scallions, and I'm gonna make a quick lunch out of it. Sometimes it's just about getting sustenance in you. Now, don't get me wrong, egg in fried rice is a normal thing, and an egg fried rice is a beautiful thing if you like it, right? It's just not for me. So again, scramble them up. If you want to add a little bit of salt and black pepper or white pepper in here, you can. It's totally up to you. I walk a tablespoon and a half of vegetable oil in there. It's nice and hot. What we're gonna do first, and the rice, leftover parboiled brown rice, long grain, cold, it's chilled, been in the fridge, leftover. In goes the egg. Just scramble that up. Just gonna move it over a bit, yeah, just to the side, and we're gonna add that frozen vegetable. It's just a medley of vegetable that I was sitting, you know, that's the remnants of it, and this is totally optional, by the way. You can just go with the egg, the rice, and the other ingredients you're gonna see me adding shortly, but I have it, so why not? Just want that to heat up just a little bit. Yeah. I'm gonna shove my egg just up a little bit more, because at this point I want to add my rice in there, and again, it's just leftover rice. It's been in the fridge, so you're gonna see it's gonna be clumpy, and the whole idea is to heat this up. Yeah. Just gonna scrape that down, and that is about almost 4 cups of cooked rice, and it's been cooked in salted water. So you'll notice, you know, and if you want, you can add salt to it. It's totally up to you. What I do want to do is sort of break it up, make sure it's nice and broken up. I'm gonna mix it. Just get that egg and all those vegetables mixed in with the rice. And you know, one of the reasons why I enjoy using a wok versus a frying pan. Yes, you can use a frying pan. One of the reasons why I like using the wok is because the sides, the flame goes up the sides, and all this, the entire base of the pot here, or the pan, the wok, becomes a cooking surface. So it's a great way to cook on high heat. And I'm trying my best to mix this through. And the other tip I have in using the wok, I'll show you in a second, is I do want some sesame oil in there. That's gonna give it that nutty, smoky sort of vibe as well too. And what I was gonna mention is that with the wok, I want to use the sides, yeah, down the sides. That means the soy sauce that I'm using in here, and that is a mushroom flavored soy sauce. What's going to happen, the high heat on the sides here is going to give it that depth of flavor, that smokiness as well too. So the high heat on the sides, if I put it in the center, it'll be in the cold rice, but by putting it on the outside here, I'm getting in contact with the high flame, and the combination of that soy sauce, that mushroom flavor, and any dark soy sauce will work. Yeah, I just love mushroom flavored soy sauce, along with the sesame oil. Oh man, it is smelling wicked in here. And all you gotta do, you know, this is so easy, eh? And so quick. Just allow it to heat through. That's all you have to do, is allow it to heat through, and then you're good. Now I used 3 eggs. If you wanted to use more eggs, 4, 5, 6, how many eggs you want to use? If you really love eggs, yo man, rock the eggs. After all, it's an egg fried rice. Of course, you need some scallion. Mix that in, and you're pretty much done. You're just going to allow the residual heat to sort of warm through that scallion and bring out the onion flavors, sort of garlicky onion flavor you would get from that scallion, and you're done. It's that easy. Egg fried rice, what, 6 minutes, if that, and you're enjoying a nice little lunch over here. So I do hope you all get an opportunity to give this one a try, because it's a nice thing, man, and you know, real simple to put together.